Choanephora rot, also known as wet rot, is common on summer squash, particularly during wet conditions. The fungus begins by infecting wilting or senescing blossoms, and if conditions are right, it moves into the fruit. Symptoms are pretty much a wet rot and fuzzy fungal growth. This fungus favors senescing or wounded tissue. So the senescing blossoms are the first line for infection, but any wounding or damage on fruit makes the rot even more severe. So in this case, it's been raining a lot, and also as these canopies close on this summer squash, it's much more humid inside this canopy. Choanephora rot can affect particularly summer squash, but also other cucurbits as well as peppers. Management of Choanephora rot begins with cultural practices. In fact, there are not many fungicides that can really manage this disease unless we increase air circulation and speed up drying. So spacing of plants as far as possible will allow that air circulation and quicker drying, as well as weed management. Again, we're working towards airflow and quicker drying. Mulch, either plastic mulch or wood or straw mulch, are also beneficial, and that keeps fruit off of the ground and that keeps the lower canopy drier. Although Choanephora rot is most often associated with fruit in the field and the rot in the field, it can also translate into a storage rot. So if fruit are damaged and there's Choanephora rot in the field, it's highly likely that those wounds have been infected by the Choanephora, and then disease can develop in the cooler or in storage. So always avoid storing wounded fruit, especially if there is any disease in the field.